usual MP War Asing South. Anthony Nupenu, Greater Accra, organizer of the NDC. Bernard Alote Jacobs, former Central Regional Chairman of the NDC. Social and political commentator. Agalote morning.
Good morning, Captain. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The Wewin Award Ama Multimedia.
That's Kakakra. Honorable good morning. Constituency where you call.
Nyame adom asen south nyame hira abuso a yehira ye president Kufado nso ani wo hopa ono yade na kuma ewo asen south o pe asempa ntino mpuntuyo ahodo a de ba nyina no yese eda opani ase be mrebe mu a mebobo ba ko mienu bi so na yede ada opani ase ene ma congratulations nso o bo adwuma no pe me ba metie wo ne dwumadi a wodi ne amanfo afrefre won ne experience a won share no atumi aboa abie dwuma bi ene so am say awareness a ye hwehwe say be ba sexual abuse no both sides e me ma frɛ na ma so frɛ me bo aba so koso sa
Anthony bibi afai
Juri ampo dia che
e bi atope
dien
e bi ato say oba bi pese
oba bi ade
oba bi pese won ne da. It's
a natural phenomenon.
Oh, sir. It's a biatonda.
It's something that is living in the globe now. So
a biatonda. Yeah. To me, a jumpy, bill, and I said,
my jumpy be maybe month me.
No credit. I cannot.
Oh, that's it. Yes. Yanina, not to
me jumpy. But the bimu dear.
They went to me, I didn't number went to me.
Oh, I can't bonny. Sometimes you get so much attracted and excited the beauty of the personality, you cannot do anything. You have to just succumb to it.
If you are to Bena,
Captain,
Angro.
Morality has been thrown into the air. Tradition is no longer existing. It is an issue of survival, because God has given us the survival instincts. And secondary school, and because of hardship and poverty, the best thing to do is to sell their noble body. And say when the young girls are going for old men, and young boys are going for old women, all to survive. That is what is at play today in Ghana. And say, if you see a true Christian now, in fact, I would say that it will be very hard to identify a true Christian, because Christianity are in there. Let me go and sell my body. If I'm a Catholic, I'll go to the priest and say, Father, forgive my sins. And then there, Obi Oko Pentecostal and charismatic, or I'll go to have mercy upon me, oh God, according to that loving kindness. The next day, he goes back and do the same thing. And also because of lust, and what they are now trapping those of our age, or in there, they will set up their phone cameras, and then use that in a way to say, how do I even use it? In a way to be there. I don't know how where to use for it. The butchon for or the blackmailing you to accede to her wants and desires. And there, as someone already Wagana. And see, and on social media, is it promoting promiscuity or is promoting morality? And see, a bit to him, especially when you are very popular in Ghana and NPR, ebi an sɔfo yi na ono de because of ono ye sɔfo na ni Christian concept nti my former eba hospital may the Lord forgive your sins no che de emfa wo
now we be at that.
Oh, what him several times.
Jumping in and
Who would that be? I have a wife. See, I won't go to that extent of jumping somebody. No, those days now me a young boy now me a Casanova.
Only na ka.
No, Casanova time is in there. And when the Azamichi and you shoe the socks. Was that? I did be a was busy. Azamichi and you shoe the socks. No, but yen. We've grown out of our Christianity. And so all my area and your baby you are extra careful. Na Americans you want to be Sidema Tony American. O go to baby in your haste there oh chale me finishing pan there. Who never coffee. Nigga is oh don't mind this no you. But I don't know because of the aphrodisia I'm renting a mobile one woman. Sex is now becoming the order of the day. It's most unfortunate. We are turning into Sodom and Gomorrah. Because King Solomon can be also what has been done will be done. What will be done has been done. There's nothing new on earth.
Yes,
new under the
yes. It's or they in between how we can get closer to our creator. I'm also here, my
Zavo, Ebiatope.
Obiatumi.
Now you're so
Ebiatumi. Bra men yesofo no de be yesofo nyina. Enso hwe no oku animu kra no. Our responsibility dodo abeka ho no kra no. Na ye target more. Esanse something enso hwe a onya ye nyina. Na me answer me koso no because me de ba be father mention bi. Sanse ade edi no. Sex for favor. Me de asida be ma se waton sa frame ya ba ofidi kase so. Na me de ntia kase amatiefo etie Ghana fa na nyina me de ntia kase ma chama Lotte Jacobs. Otime nchen enemia minia efo Tony. Me de ntia kase e ma. Sabri asense out for so etie pa sanse asense out de tia ne Adom FM ene Adom TV 10 pa antino na nanma hemfo ai wa sense out nyina echia mo na titru eye hunabobrim na praje nsem oye ohene pon ehwe regiman traditional council medinchia kese edema na san abo president Kufuado abaso sansa sense out no na ye wo hawa hodo bebre titru yakwan ye kra na uyi kota no a etwam free Kumasi ede ba yamransa no na ni kota bia na yami adomara ye ba bosume beye dunso entamu yetumi anya contract kesia 17 km road every asen adubiase twemu konkwanta de ko homa ho no ye ba begusu kota me no kasa contractor no wo so a wadwi first phase na wi a all the drains enti no ye bo mampani abaso say ye ehia asem koto na nimu no wa se ne uyam na nya no nko a eno akire no ahinkru de ko efa jakan kwamo aben de ko si abase nso enso atu ho na mo last week me fa contractor no ene tran ka mu ade ne ko site e ko kire ne kwan ni na bebia se etremu bebia se twa cover bebia se ye drains ni ade nyina no enso ye ba begusu foforo na ya tremu akọ akire eno akire ne kuruwa miami kurumu asinkuruwa ho kwan ne so nye kra e de ba nyame bodi beja kan so enso ya ye ho nkrata asem a enche bosum ye mu ebe hu se machine akose so na ensuo so ya de ahia pa answer water is life na ensuo nsem so ya de na eye problem enso nyame adom a yetumi anya very big water project am no kasai ye nuanum e wo nyankoma se ahinkuru bosumadwe de kopim jakan no enye sa small community water ne bi we ensuo kese pa ye ba bebu na tumi adu efie bia mu and a big water project the contractor na ko site akoma no ba bi na engineers na de akotena by next week no me am me so inside na ko community by community akoye introduction enti no ye bo mampani abaso se wadwen asense out ho ye dana se na ne nyina mu no success for job no
so for meso there ma na aban
edru so a meti sa futu no na captain success for job no e ade a edi o ma nya pa enya dey starting na emu no dane da air no technology ni ade ne more sophisticated demands urban na ekọ anim na obie phone line to na metie pa emema afre na ema so frɛ na observation me make and say emema ne frɛ more
yeah wa how
emema no mum frɛ more enso no sɛ ukọ police station sɛ one ya sa obi sabe wa se omo ne omo ada reporting no ema no na report na say emema no bebre nso ehuna ma ne pa nso no wontumi enko police station bia ni wo bi o sɛ bibi nti o me sɛ won kran sɛ we be ma na sɛ bibi sa aton a obi to shawo so sɛ wantumi ne wanye mpo bia wa hoɔden nti overpower no and wantumi anya kra ay offense ɛsɛ wotumi report na ɛho da ho na oba bia wanya sa botaye ne sɛ wono friends sintidua no pɛ sɛ oto mema no enso ɛyɛ deterrence edema no ɛyɛ demand and supply factor me sa na me hu no demand and supply factor esan sɛ man no anya humu bi sɛ me padwuma be man na ekra do sɛ on fa me keke so on fa me adwuma be man no oyɛ manager no ana be man no oyɛ bi HR manager be man no bi oyɛ MD be man no bi oyɛ supervisor no ɔno na be take his decision no ana se bi a lecturer no as o ma me no onye ekra do so be ma me sa keke on merit enti won hu sɛ sa demand ne wɔ hɔ sa de ne so binom nso position wɔn ho supply ɛno ɛna na chairman logical ka ho asɛm wɔn enti no ma bi hɔ a wɔne sorry free mpamu anopa apie nyina wɔn botae ne sɛ kwan bɛn so metumi opposition me ho a metumi enya take advantage of sa demand and supply na ekoso no ezan sɛ officer obibi officer ne ho ofe officer owode obi hwehwɛ no ama na adwuma owode obi hwehwɛ ama ne contract owode obi hwehwɛ abie akwan bi ama no enti no wɔn so ate wɔn ho agumu ɛna saa bere bi kra obi ho a no bi kra bɔ ne pa sɛ kɔsɔ saa nipa wɔ hwehwɛ na okwa film no okwa atwa ne mfoni na saa ahosɛsoɔ no a sabe mema bi eni no ɛde ahwease bebre ɛne yɛde aba zanse wo wadwea yɛ wo sɛ wo gi wani take advantage agi wani na watumi abuse wo ba na fa na adwuma no
problem
na ɛde ahwease ɛna eba na wo study history the trend of all these cases aba menyan ne baby ase sɛ no baby ye pani pa na apart from nansen yes president bi ba baby one ne boyfriend bi ekoye ekudi agro bi a ehunfoni eba out so be kaya one of these African countries president baba no nso minister ono no koye some of these actors the boyfriend leaky friends of blackmailing no or leaky ba but apart from that no case abeti se sabe be maybe ene oba bi akoye bibi maliki ema enam so e de nim guase abre sa peni no ema na hwease anas we lose ni position na e mema afam na eno na twen madwen ko gina bibi so e wo Proverbs chapter 25 verse 28 trust am say a man without self control is like a city broken into and left without walls. There's a bear man ya hweso no e de say ekura awifo ato ahyeso abawuram na omabubu efesu a atwa ho ahye nyina say all the walls are ebo ho ba say bubu ni nyina gu enti we need defense bia enti anim guase e ba eno anse e ba oso there's a social bia ba eno anse e ba oso enti ahyeso e ya de ba ko ase nyina tumi nya ezanza we be me ya de tie bia no watenka na tenka na won nkyere se atenka ne pejape se wode nyoma bi ehye wonsa na aye enti mema ne tumi frɛ ya wonse won hye wo so nyina no ye bo mo abaso omo a wo mantumi nso anhye wo mo so no yesre yakopon ahoɔden ama wo esanse very dangerous obi wo just 1 minute bi a wantumi anhye ne ho so nti no otumi nya yare bi a wantumi ansa ne da a wode ko wo mu obi wo asa minute ba ko pɛ akɔno no a wantumi anhye so nti no okonso hwe bi a ɔhwe ase no wantumi ampagya bio enti sa akɔno ne basa no a ya yɛn kai sɛ ɛwɔ nsunsuanso bio ebi a wayɛ ba ko mienu a ɛno no ukɔ buri bɛga sɛ you went scot free ɛno no sabi asɛm bi ama ho ɛnso ebi ana afi bi yɛ san enti no mɛsɛ obi bia nkran na menuano ma no a wɔn anya bota wɔn de ase wɔn ho sɛ wɔn de nya de omesua de san sɛ lecturers bi wɔ hɔ a obi esuma wɔn a wobenya no ka hunu se wan kasa wanya eyawi a wanya first class and second class up awie no a we pia bonten aba no bisa ho se sa certificate na ekura wo no wo bre na nya ya na impact ben na sa school na akọ na efa umu a se wo fa wo certificate a wan kasa wo hwa be proud se minya second upper minya first class na ye mi ankasa me modemo na mdi nyaye. We should have that sense of self achievement. Say o kwa akoma ho kwan na obi no wada no abie adwuma mu kwan ma no sabe enhire bia nim enti no aha na mde besi na mabon abaso se mateki sa topica issue na ne nyina mu no esi a se be ma famu oba famu me say inkuran se yan report to police station na emra no emfa na kwa
na Maria can be I'll say from Edubiasi to the
Nkwanta Mama home
nso baby see and no
baby see and no but first face in the basic home
and second face
and
there's no village there I don't know
the original chairman
no Ghana have party wa ukumpo me there is something amazing message there any who counterpart or Abrasibu Kwamankasi. The link between Aswanzi and Kruwa.
Yes.
It will help so much.
Yes. No, me no. First contract no de my no. No e free abakrampa. Plan ne senke se e fa hwa de fa edunya me do manka. Embumbra Aswanzi. E metwa mu fa obretwewu chiriku nanka enko Kruwa. Enso no design no ekofa asomdwe. Enti no entumi amesi Kruwa. Eno nti ene asan ko fa free Kruwa na etwa ba chiriku nti be fa chiriku even though a chiriku enye asensa ato no ye abura no Kruwa fo nyina ho nyina penkro fo nyina ho ano mofa de ba ya medo be dwa so ba krampa de ba asebu enti no ye betwa ba besi Aswansi Junction no ne amane akọ nyamebu na free isa Aswansi Junction de kwa Aswansi de kwa nyamedom ne so no ye fa ho adwen is about 4-5 kilometers ye fa ho adwen na honso ya link but for now no the free Asebu Junction na Bakrampa Junction ewremu ade kwa nyamedom no omo de fa asomdwe enti no so ye bo aban no abaso
yo nja wenduma ya 2020 e ba be
so munya 8 years man to me aye mamu aye
oh ye nya 8 years ya ye bi amon papa
ma nwe ho ase
ya ye ase
mo ya nini
sex for favor
yes bro ni aba
enwa for me I see it as evil.
Okay.
Because what kind of favor in the me current as the dispensation why obia or your favor is about job employment. Diana and you know sex and sana huge mama na man can kwechipi I mean he was on your topic or they're discussing so much on me say your moral obligation to our maker there's obi him wa no ba if it is within your means one na memfa sex there yin that as an huge man but you see #MeToo nkaka kra obebudu Ghana ma nde ebo be se no tunkra pa onyo boko court. It is also a new form of trying to instill discipline in relationship man and woman because we go to baby aya na ehia meyinfo ni man because man what also sin meyinfo man do also sin meyinfo nti aya mpempi na manfo wo hiam we bia on mind there I wa hwe ya menyanku iboko ekenya nti amemmo fa mo ho confess na sabi tafrache benyin koto sabi benyin koto ozo enhwe de obra pa bia bobo bia the hore twawon na wozo you giving was it there ebo eto bo baba wa osan bo nti awu akafa obi ne ba ebia na wonyanko ne ba besi onyemwa na enyin sabi enyin ba da sana abedwuma man damazu na wozo na bi wo ho a onyin ba da because that is the law of karma.
No, obokwa besi ho.
Nti say empede osi wa babo ma hwe we wuraze na for we wuraze kwando for boa obi a onyemwa eye da ma Nyankopon ohia wasefo nyina me ma semakan.
No gwenu.
Yeah, Captain Mechia etiefo na me di chiama papa ni me nua. Well, let me say me nua ntifojo they are father biblical aspect, and I think that is it speaks a lot of volume. Idea na montua eba achepa it has gained root, but it's all about unipano wahushe so so as I said, I've been a victim of it, one or two, but it's about you knowing what you want and what you want to do. Many a times, young man are vulnerable to it due to the unemployment situation, and then when you go to the educational sector, and now I read these 3 lectures for UPSC have been suspended or so withdrawn because of some of these things. And it tells us we need to do a lot of education from the home, from the religious homes, everywhere. But namafo abi a obi a sora no akita Bible so your sofui sebi omu bebre krampo no na omu edi nyama we enam because within the church house krampo no people who go for the so-called counseling and ubi studio who me krampo tete I don't know fire omu krampo no omu
It was for David Prapetro. David Akwaba.
Yeah, I'm the captain.
No, then I was a one power watch.
If you crap on.
Oh, okay.
And this is for wash.
Oh, the wine.
Oh, yeah, President Mahama.
No, David. President Mahama, no, yeah,
okay. Enti yebesre ubi biara wo abaiwa okonenim die. You need to know how to guide that child to not to be part of this kind of situation. So Captain Bisaya, let me say, I was following the interaction, and I believe going forward, more education will take many people out of these things. Mema na ebia we also fall victim, and I'm kind of akonobia. Unyana se one share on so a
tama etoye na yentimi an jump no na yenyini ye
obi mu kra nyi se se nekra
no de ne yenyini ye
nekra ebetu obi ene nekra
se ebetu na yente nyame ase ye
enti as a human being when you share on so then you can overcome some of these things, because going forward I don't think so who ase na uti nyame samase na uti abrabwase pa
no, you not do it.
You just have to overlook it and then move on. Just the Holy Ghost fire.
Romans of Ukrabo. Nanzemo was easy. Joy is
David.
I've taught there for 14 years. No to me nyame.
David Akwaba.
Yeah, I mean Habema.
Obi attempt to pay.
Bema bia.
Say yes so baby ashira as a person that abisana or yero bi say
unde beshiba or tempti David.
No,
onye David. Mama can say Enyima.
Onye David not tempted.
Enyima Beshiba knew the David every 12 o'clock. Obejian kokonondo. Obejian ne dan so. Then he supplicate. Nti wa hwa naked okita them Ethiopian type of body. Na odi kogware.
Captain Maminchia
Otefu na honor shefom. Abba.
The devil can come in any other form. The devil is not appointing a mero. Abonsam nitin ya appointing.
The way of your papa
is an angel of light because he was cast out of fire. And he's the only person that was cast out of fire. And he can come in any other form.
Captain Maminchia Otefu. I to Jacob the Maminchia penifo Yawaha. Maminchia Kofi Befi. Free zones. CEO. Anka Lutesi Ochiao and Mustafa Yusuf. Captain, Fiade, National Service, Mustafa, boss, Olidi, Mayako, Ejra. In fact, Numa farms, no. Captain, and Yasam Ketra. Just say, Niji. At least this year I harvested 400 acres. And we have more than 4,000.
One of the previous.
Kwagbenu.
Yes. Now, and it's a good idea. But expanding the path seriously. In all, we are hitting about 2,000 acres of maize farms. This year, yes, this year we are going 5,000.
So almost 1,000.
Into that is across the country. We are hitting almost 5. We are hitting. We are hitting. We are hitting 5,000.
Quite a land down.
Oh, land in the 170. That's a good one. Yeah. Land is. That's it. The ambassador can say me bought a penny for Basso. That was a Juman. Now, as someone beside me, sex for job.
Sex for job, please.
Sex for job, no. Many are in the park. It's say, Obi Pejuma, and say, Sabi, who penny no so no, who demanded for sex and son one minute Juma. And I say institutions like Naya Tradi, a be per maxa, and say, who can say, Mammy way and sana. For example, Mamimra me education and some mate reverend or Kasapa now can we be said, who Obana Sabi, we could be with Nemina Yamao a maximum. Who ba? What is the use of your certificate? And I think it's a very important point because most often than not, no, Omuya, the first class, second class, when they come to the job market, they don't perform.
Sir.
Woman or your secretary or your den, just a simple letter cross on chokra na yasem because when kosia na mom ono de na ho fe anasa ne bibi na de ye. Enti eyade a esese ye condemn pa in no uncertainty. So we a tutor, we a lecturer, we a boss. So we be demanded for sexual favors before one man in pano ejuma na say one man. Enya de esese ye so kra. Na ade ba ko a esese ye na ye hunu so ne say on the other hand ye can the adverse effect of this thing but amanfo so e use that you know e di nya ekunu ena yere that is also there at that angle no, we shouldn't also wash it out.
Almost as our nkwentangu
use that in people have made advances are more to me associate or maware sa nimpa e wo ho a omonso ete ho but whatever be the case yes those days me kai pass your training college those days there
and now your management member pa na say we yire na ukunu na ye take this
those days na me kai pass na
companies be politics
it doesn't allow.
Allowed.
Me. Those is a training college. I started PTC in the early 2000, 2001, 2002. Now they were not allowing. So, who person worry another colleague tutor, and as I said, then you have to separate. Except Bakuko. The reason no obvious because there are a lot of decisions are ABI or a house mistress. The law has to take its course because we are senior house master and I say head of department no way you sue interest no they acquire them influencing the decision into the but NASC democracy until we allow people to marry even intra-organizational marriage and all those things. It will need effect but whatever it is no say we be solicited for sex and son wait my be amo obine there Mr. Enye ade asese omano yesoso na we na asofo no mo enwuma pa eye because you are the embodiment of morality in the country in the society. Just say we are so far. We know who say bibia. Yeah, now sometimes you feel say so for nipa, but if you say mu peja mu so na education no chechire no ekoso ye ewo yes I no in all aspects no ye kwa sorry Sunday yet as all them and as I mean I see if well that's also another
just after church na they hide themselves
and then
as of put to me
as of for the medical can say omo nipa
sorry
oh but I think he agrees so
speaking in tight
yes
some BSC to me make a reference
exactly into
the government are politicians who are office.
Exactly. As of ministers, teachers. You see, teachers for lectures now more they aba on board.
I can't say mema.
Exactly. Baby any power. Baby any power. Mema oba one there. Naturally no sir and your money a bit messy. But as I say in an try say bede you be share your also in all aspects. Captain Sana Mitimaka.
Reverend, what is happening to the economy? Is it global hard times? Is it a situation where the fundamentals are wrong or weak? Or what exactly is the problem?
You mean that's economy no one some so bibia and said the beya and comma obia enter na dwen said you no ehwe no nti no and this sudua eto ho ya na akyerem yes interest rate at that saying yes growth rate at that saying yes lending rate at that saying yes inflation rate at that saying na atoto edini nyina atoto ho yes credit rating at that saying sa susudua no ana say parameters no e dey measure no eno etumi boa e ma san subjectivity ma politicians etumi enya ahokwan where it favors them na no twist no be bien favor no twist no ya etumi ekofom mo yen hwe yachi kakra economy no ekudum pempenso bi na enyi it was growing at 3.7%. Na sabi wa abofra ontumi nyi de ebe den na se economy ni nyi a isika sem bitumi atre na yetumi yensa akọ ye manfo eso President Akufo-Addo baaye entutu ye panel she power bi gu akwan mu ntino etumi peja akọ 8.5 na nse be rebasing ene ma base no eye kese tatra ma 8.5 ne crown eso tiba 8.1 eno crown no it is touted as Ghana we are found in international ratings international organizations are a rating economy no say Ghana is one of the fastest growing economies in the world and African in the world say you buy sika some antutu ye ene ehye ya sabe captain na enyimaku e wo Ghana yi ejuma be ya no mo ya obi betumi nya mfaso even 30% and 40% say o kwa akobọ besia na de akwa akwese wadwuma mu a ensihu esi hu no kane no 2015 2016 na kane no ensihu esi hu ene na be 45% ebi ensihu esi hu ene na wanya akra na be 33% eno no ema enyumaku no dodo na eguyi esanse oni sika ode kwa akobọ besia oni ahoɔden a ɔkwakɔ oni anidaso sɛ bese ya mekɔ akɔbɔ ikura de abɛsɛ adwuma atre mu metumi akɔ akotua ye ba ye ma interest rate no policy rate na nam 25.5% and into say bank no ko bobisi o Bank of Ghana 25.5% na so also de be 10-15% bi eto so a pagya ko be 35-45% no ye hwan no aba 17% enti sabre brand one na ye interest rate ye besiency home 45% aba from and then I'm 24%. Me eno kura me say e wo soro yen sample enti so e mra from further policy rate no e was 17%.
No ko boy
into lending rate no and then I'm 24-25%. And na make us still now no e was that's the average on the market.
Sir,
yes, the average on the market. But ni nyina no kura no me say e was soro e san say if policy rate e was 70% there yetumi ate policy rate ne so from 25.5% about 17% there. I said bank ne so respond accordingly. But in any case, what the 25% lending rate they compare 45% na say ni businesses no. So habre no na ayinam kane akura no factories ebenya de a manufacture omo product ne kra no na bi ni ho. Dum so ni adi factories ni bebre na egui. Ye ne ba yi she say pania they say you need do so be say factory no 24 hours a day and I say wo ye o factory o machine be run is and what three crampo no sa electricity tariff na ne bo akosoro no ya teso ama households ya san teso ama factories enti no na say 30% no ya teso no o kan nyina bo na say afe no households and businesses are saving 1.84 billion cedis. 1.84 billion cedis. And you know, you check your man for. You see, you check your companies and say, "One and Franco on J3." Now, want to me enter mu. So that the son said the private sector is the engine of growth. And you know, who be a private sector anymore? Wonya incentives. No, air togong na on bisiabo air conform na tariffs mutiano air conform no munyam faso. The tre edumani private sector no air tre no and to me efa dodo na ebedwum. So I be call senate no bosumi bia no company bia file report. Nipa dodo a wafa wom. And nipa dodo a free company nim. Records ewo ho say nipa mpimo ha etri na ye ba ye yetumi afa wo adwuma mu ano records ne wo ho records you don't like na enu nyina chi no ye ba ba bi say free SHS ya na ekoboso a ne de ama binim ho ahyehye wo enso me ba bia me free ba no free SHS no e de mfaso de aba Ghana pa san say afi bia anatem bia no ka awofo antu akora na nye 30 million every time bia ka 30 million sabe ye ne MPs ni politicians ye de na kai ho e kire ye pa cause wo be sorry no na won ya asala e ba beje bi 10 million 20 million wo free studio ana obi ara hye ho no ba ni nyina no eso atwa san 30 million ni say aba be mfasode e hye awofo ni botom sabe die adwa no odi a or the 30 million per term no kwa koka ho e ma se bottom mienu na na bosumi bia no oto eton a okwa kotrem sabe entos na na okoto ton a 30 million no de kwa kosem e sika e hye ni bottom na ye kan na nya nipa be ayi 100,000 per ye kan first phase no 493,000 enya ho mfaso me no ka say uka wo mo a enya mfaso ni nyina abomu a it is nearly 1 million. Oh, akwani mu pa akwani enti no ne nyina akire no me metena afidie so na me nkase ye baaye no within less than 2 years no sabe Ghana ye Hawaii wo nyina no ya solve ni nyina awi me ntu metena afidie so entwa sa antro no esanse ye free baabi ne ye baaye economy no wo be sha ase free baabi a ede ahokyere a wo beto ye no ahokyere a beto ye no ese ye de wo ye doctor ne de yarefo wepra e dey abra hospital did you can say yense babia moja na enwu no we stop bleeding no na stop bleeding na we stabilize the condition na fe panie bi ese we wo no dey wo na kopem bra obenya hoden asori agina ne na so na ne kura no ye free baby ne ba aho kire a na e wo Ghana ha no 2014 me no nyina na e wo ha 2013 2015 2016 aho kire a na e wo ye so no ye nyina ye kai me nkase ye ba aho kire nyina atwa me ho atoye enso akofom kura ma se sambre se ye se ho akire ya de me kan se enye entutu ye pa President Kufuado edbegu akwan so toto ya enka sambre enka ye ho ahokire beba Ghana no enka esene de na
well
in the year 2016
minti oranti fojo na no si boni because since oye aban nipa aye mrashe benyeni die nia oraka no furiata tintimegu krata so dia mama mpenye odi bonu usafo ni wo the globe no it is a mantra ewo munyina no say they have to come and defend what is indefensible say nia what tintim e kanyina no uko the realities of life it is not reflecting so Ghanaians are telling you say munjai kasana mo kano nyamu keke na inflation say me nye economist me nye economy that but the economic gurus na my ati say omo can say average GDP mbese o chemi the GDP without oil no what is the growth today in Ghana tisemu the oil kan hu na mu ma the figure you are making now you are not being real as I said niamu koti say yen grow ye no it was without oil. So why?
It was with oil. 3.7 was with oil.
No.
3.7 NDA was with oil.
Do you remember at the very time we had challenge? Oh, tell me. We had challenge. Oh, what was the growth in the oil sector? At that time, because we had challenge with the FPSO, oil market, well crude market, drop here. And then, tell me, say now into oil. But at the time, the challenges in the oil sector, did you count it? And then our investment through the ENI, and then our oil production has shot up. And it's due to the export price of crude. We didn't count, and you are even growing abysmal, and you are not ashamed, and you want us to believe and clap for you. Say you are growing at 8.something%. Please say I don't think we will be there today. But you have to check because and no one in Sika Munyani Namuye Ghana for near Bisa MPP aban say investment no one. All the sectors, how are you performing? Everything you baby Samu and a free SHS. And is that all? Is that all to it? I, Anthony, sitting here, and many Ghanaians will be better off. Say, so I bind me investing in more educational infrastructure and teaching and learning materials. Ewa omaimua. Na ejuma kosu oko kodidwa ni nyama yeto. Onyasika befi. People are working now. That Ghanaian will be better paying the child school fees than say 2,200 mami ba no akoda abonti mansuahwe no. Ghanaian is better. Ghana ni bia ebenya rehemu say me tua schools na me ba odan dem. Onya classroom tinasua de, onya konya tinasua de, onya book. Na me amitimi so na ase a. Ghana ni be happier than what you are putting our children through. It is for me. So we fulfill constitutional mandate. Now obia starting gradually. Now we now see who the by force be two usia. We num enenwi moja yi. How do we solve that? Moja na enwi we num. That is where we are. You've rushed into a policy. The policy is not working to the satisfaction of the Ghanaian. How do we go about it? Aside that, taxes and now they actually you can't say mobile one by news and taxes until they will introduce you. Why all the taxes are claims same way today? The Ghanaian is paying double when you think when time I'm claiming say na news and taxes war. And then a daddy phone a coffee near my bayi. A capot omuntimi esan say import duties are mo promising Ghana for say muba ye ehun ABCD. Where are we today? Ye kana mo see ye time na ye bokro no. There were leakages. Nti mo de one blocking loopholes. So it's a simple analogy. Say the so-called loopholes over na Ghana for unhi ha omo a. Are they not better off than say omo ti omo man mu no mu ku omo say mo di be omo. Are those Ghanaians not better? Say so omunya ehun kwan enya nkwan bi sa. Omunya nkwan bi no na omo abra abom ye si ene so kofa niam ne ba ontimi yi niam no kan akọ demorrage achi no na dey akọ auction na ya auction no at a lesser price to a party apparatchik na sa Ghana ni no wo change ni dollar at a higher exchange rate amuntimi nya ho hwe o dey akofa niam na back port. So you are just looking at one area without looking at the central point of governance. Is that a competence people claim to exhibit? Ne mampenya be de chewre aba omudu ba mia wenya the gut na ko gina simpiso exhibiting cluelessness and telling somebody say you've heard the incompetence. Mahama is coming back. Please Baumia, doctor, give some respect to the seat you sit on. Behave like a vice president. John Dramani Mahama say ni incompetence no exhibit ya ene anka Ghana ni bobre owo as energy sufficient country ye mampenya ko gina abontin ebo ni usafo ni say Ghana is a net exporter of power. O mampenya Akufo-Addo yi uba ye 18 months. Tell me how many megawatt of the energy mix no ho ene wenye bia wo export. prudent management and investment in the energy sector that we killed ourselves for. Oranti for you just said say and then there's no doom. So what have you added to it? You can't say na it was a financial issue, nenye production.
So are we young?
That is it? That's how you people lie to yourself.
Problem.
How do you solve a financial issue when the energy sufficiency is not there? You invest and get the sufficiency. Now where you sue, I saw the system challenge our war. So for me begrudging MPP Nibia on economic indicator because that is your stock in trade. One thing I can say, look, me who abrabo be a oboa ubi bia a positive and so anamuntu a backward. Se bibi biara muka as economic indicators a positive a bafem. Now say our living condition is going hard and harder. Things are not better in this country. You are not investing in roads. You are not investing in educational infrastructure. You are not investing in health infrastructure. In every sector, aviation, bibia, there is nothing. That cost. But you go on and claim say you are managing the economy at this rate. And now every major road infrastructure are moving back on. Sika ya ji atuho. Muka check Ghana. Tell me. Muka check Ghana for say ya Bob knows. Tell me. Ya Bob, you are not
Rofana Mudi anase.
Tell me.
Koko Rose na Mudi ya
89 million dollars. 89 interchange we are paying. We are paying circle interchange.
What is this?
I'm saying sir, we are paying for circle interchange.
Intolerance
I'm telling you. $89
million Pokwasi interchange project. Where Yesika G2 or Maimua Mobile Mostati project. It was part of the $122 million dollar loan. Mobile $43 million amaji. Munche dia mudia ye can musimu dia servicing loan. What are you servicing? Mobile Muna Mukache Ghana for say we inflated circle interchange. Yekoji Sika. Tell me, $73 million. And the best project. Mumbai, the money was sitting in Ghana's account. Somebody contract an area, more than half. Moba, now we're raising the certificates. Now why you so called value for money on it. Now Mutiana. How do you tell Ghanaians say Mumbai na Mutia? Musika na Mutiana says Ghanaians you and then you have to just service that contract. What at all is the NPP government is investing in? Then we will not say we can make the comparison 2 years or 4 years apart. Say yeah, by discuss say ABC in edition. Musumu by and mu egu honum. What and what have you put on board? Munim guasienti terminal 3. Mu person be because mu takanya say mu commercial area John Dramani Mahama must be seated there. Abroni beyinti mun person Joma betina mun chenti mutimi en commission. For us, we don't have any problem. All what you are telling Ghanaians say, and 2 years of Jomama administration, and 2 years of Akufo-Addo, saying United now, never pen and paper, ne ye can, ye born sector by sector. The only thing you can make claim and think say you've done better, I say your indicators are pointing down. Yeah, the was true. But I think say it is better to have indicators up and Ghanaians live better than have indicators down and have a Tibonkoso administration which is making Ghanaians life harder.
David Pra.
Tibonkoso na kasewi iti mayankasa wedase. Where's our use captains? Pesa Captain Smart. But a captain.
Oh, Pepe.
Captain, Mr. Yaba the economy. Reverend, I make justice to it. What can't sema fatayina? Because as our minor, your institutions are ye dear siwa or mona. Ya mo musa 2 minutes say or mo enfenhwe economic issues. Now, whether they are pointing to the right direction or the Ghana Statistical Service, Bank of Ghana, and so Ebuaye in some aspect. And this for no person which say they don't have any belief in these institutions. We don't have any problem, but we will continue to say it, and we are going to still put emphasis on the fact that ye buy no ye befa omo baby omo no dijaye no na yes say ya de atoto ho. In 2016 it is truly true say the GDP growth rate no na 3.7. That one with oil, what I say, ni na 3.7. 2017, because of prudent economic management, MPP Nana Danko Kufuado, ye decoy up to 8.5.
This year
8.5 2017. It ended 8.5. What I say, regardless of it, it is pointing to the right direction. That one, and to say, ye dispute. Now, answer, Mr. Captain, what can I say, John Dramani Mahama, in 2013, State of the Nation address, or say, NDC for no, I na economy, and nam no more in a kadompe. Into as a certain president, the Fino Waba, na dompeno, and na obeshe. 2015, State of the Nation, or say the economy is going through some challenges. 2015, Yebe enter 16, John Dramani Mahama, as a sitting president, in some of Kafa economy, no. And not Oman kasani nim say the economy no na atete apansan. Enti na say ye de proper measures. Na say ntikra nyan say captain. Who can say na issue bi aba as a judgment debt brigade e wo Ghana ha. Ye tue bi ma Wayomi, ye tue bi ma Sofoton, ye tue bi ma Waterville, ye tue bi ma Nkofobia na omo en ne ho. And my baby who in some African automobile no billions of cities. And at this a messy by my call IMF. Into your buy no as a omano, necessary ye and you may be Emma BB SCN. Into the not Danko Kufuado, you buy first in say you share taxes no. Into your buy and you abolish excise duty on petroleum. So that at least instead of you better petrol, NDC na opanke ye top petrol, it be a 30 cedis per gallon. It's very important. You see, these are people who call themselves alternative. Into the chance, they mess things up. Into say you remind like the way he was sitting here and doing. There were some nuisance taxes. Mekasa mekanya edosun ya abolish levies imposed on even kayaye who sell things. Now they are not paying by the local authorities. It's been abolished. Mr. You don't even know. 1% special import levy was abolished. What I say? We abolished 17.5% on domestic airline tickets. We abolished 17.5% on financial services. I didn't know you me bufuno. So do you go to banker? Now who could you kakra? Let's say two tax.
That's not true.
That is not it. That is it, Mr. Then we abolished 17.5% duties on some medicine that were not produced in this country. Very important in Temasa in Nono Eba form. Real estate in order to promote housing development, you abolish taxes. Captain, in your man, dear Mekasa can be bria, ya dear chain. Now, when there, they will know. Nana Danko Kufuado Nabai. You buy any who say in Numasam Dino because as I say, the historical perspective, IMF. Emma, the major conditionality is say, maybe the major conditionality is do you know what the secret? as a man, we have to sit with IMF as a government and let them know, say, this is new government. This is our program. The people of this country contract signing. Into yes, sir. In as much as say, I agree with some of these conditionalities because and Ghana for a day. Ghana, as a man, was a program see, and until you didn't NAPCO at 2 or money. You did other very important and critical replacement in state institutions at 2 or money.
NAPCO send permanent job.
Meba, Mr. No, any permanent job, but it is also a stopgap measure to support the graduates. 100,000 by the almost 30 year orientation across Unima, Mr. You don't know. By the close of this month, the people are going to start to be posted. Meaning, only 100,000. Apart from that, education sector, me charity, teacher trainees, omu school, 20. If you don't know, 2014, NDC, I recruit teachers. Ghana, 2014. 2015, omu recruit teachers. Now we need the funny thing. 2016, omu yape and quickly no, omu appointment letter. Opa next week me the back or say this is not a permanent appointment letter. This is not, and you will be given a permanent appointment letter in January 2017. To teachers, they are listening. We a bigger platform. Until the year can say, if for nothing at all, if you do comparative analysis, MPP are best managers. They are better than NDC. In fact, we are almost 200-300% better than NDC in terms of economic management. Now you go so here to name say whatever it is no nyaminti obeka ye ho na yetimi ade enoma atoto.
What to conclude David we can just stop and now stop.
Oh there be say me conclude yet.
The name David or a pristine name.
Yeah exactly ntina me ye no.
No man David into them. Bible David into them. Captain Smart, he momenzi can or can be about housing. Menzin can chair Minya Kakraba, Minyan Kubrabo pa or friend Atulinsi. Yeah. Or ne party or mon party or more. If you go,
I'm Kalinsi.
No, I'm Kalinsi, ni cousin.
Okay.
Now, JL Properties. In fact, Echo Zoom Lion Park. Wachimota. You would love to buy one of his estates and apartments.
Or Elko Kingsby Honor.
No. Zoom Park, just behind the lorry station.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, Echo Zoom Lion for
no, they don't come a business.
P hundreds of them. He's done so well until me chair and a pay. I want to be like him, but I'm not to me here. So no, we are no kind of offer.
That's how I want to tell you. Rest it.
Captain,
I can't tell you.
I'm speaking. I'm going to act like the kaya you ne truck pusher.
Yeah, na sanity.
Pocho. I mean the man from there. I mean me a truck pusher. Me offend.
Who tells a truck pusher?
Don't push on all phones.
iPhones are
we use iPhone. Enyima Ghana is it's simple as ABCD. We are in difficult times. Now they should appreciate where the president was coming from. There, we are having challenges.
Oh, yeah, I agree.
Now. There's no difference between challenges and crisis. We are in crisis. Yes, they are doing their best.
We are not.
Let me speak. We are not in crisis.
Oh, but
we are not in crisis.
Workers we were in crisis and we were saved.
Captain.
Now we are not in crisis.
Workers and ever said them very good. And some Kasa. Missy, from my Kayayu and top pusher point of view, there is no difference between challenges and crisis. Niya, our don't do the same thing. We are in crisis. We are in challenge times. government should listen to the common man walking on the street. Government should listen to the driver. Now, when you come and do comparisons about the price of petroleum, the price of petroleum, in there you have the audacity to come and tell Ghanaians there the prices of crude oil wakoso, and for that reason, since you are here to petrol 22 point something, yeah, the Ghanaian man will not buy into it. Ask yourself, there Anna Mahama Nabildo, one was a as compared to today. One political base. Oya Buso Kampo. Your own party members are standing up against government as the running of the economy of this country.
It's not true.
Captain, I mean, Master, me in there. Nyangupo Nadu, in Swata is Manib, is Manner Pro. Abantina is Manner Pro, who send the Sike in Panukutuku. Yeah, what the Ghanaian man needs, just money in his pocket to have 3 square meals a day. Now, what's the more economic analysis in GDP, oil production, dam, yeah. Taxi driver, you know, some members are MPP are buying there. And I said, crude oil, the price you could do 83 point something dollars. Ghana so ye produce crude oil, Nyanku Ponadum, ye and I free, and then the 10 wealthy, this yala, Ninkanipo, MPP for all betcha win, or betcha Zaman coffee. And the more crude oil now ye producing. Crude oil now you're producing on the pricing on year 83. No, ya. Let's be asking ourselves. There, say, one more petrol over 22 point something. Ne ye can petrol inti, one man yamano brokoso, petrol inti the Messi, petrol inti the Messi.
Petrol.
Na,
much no special petroleum tax.
I beg. Also, he preaching Mangavi. Nemu verses. It's as simple as ABCD. Captain, don't come and tell us there. Crude oil, what marketing will do at the price of petroleum product or they increase when we are also producing oil. Are you using the Ghanaian oil to mitigate the price increases in order to cushion the common man? On all call for trotro, and all call for taxi, and all call for state transport, and all call for VIP. Yeah, there are so many things you can do to alleviate the problem of Ghanaians. But there was a tighten your better. You better tighten your better, while you are here, you being your horse. I must admit, the free SHS. A laudable idea, a good policy. But we are saying there, you don't have the infrastructure, you don't have the logistics. Yes, at least you are saving the parent, the poor parent. You are saving that poor parent 1,000 Ghana cedis. Agreed. If you are 1,000 Ghana cedis in Otimumano, because for a whole year, only the Miskedibi. And this is a number. Or secondary school, they 7,000 cedis. Oh yeah, but they want say when it go to the extent, then only secondary be knows that of provisions are manaba, not that school. Only ska also got to trunk, no top box, or the manaba or the school, and then their uniforms or the manaba more than school. Textbooks. No, or I call your textbooks at the cost of 500 Ghana cedis. And so when your textbooks is Mama catch up.
Yeah, no crap. Don't you lie. Students, supply with books. I go use some. are not headmaster.
Ebi a wash as wo baby.
Cow. Jacob Senior High School. And I what did you demand?
Ebi a wash as wo Banja. Oh, asin Banjase.
Baby, a chairman. Textbooks. Textbooks.
Oh, textbooks. Secondary
school. We are challenging you on air. Can senior high school? What they challenge you?
That's a Uber radio.
ekwanu kwa obobo mu afabanchasi won so enyima ma mu de keke uye osofu my expect e be na bra oh there ye bibi so enyima ene mavoma wa ko senior high school nya onyi textbooks
please no see look government yakwa minimum
time na mo kasa that time na
but sir no
you had your 8 minutes
ma wo fase
let him
ma wo fase na ba ma wo fase na ba wa ko one of the secondary schools were Cape Coast free SHS excellent
am so me ba
oh mpacho free SHS excellent
no ba okobi
if you ma me ba mo wa angle ebutu me nya 500 amam na
obu
is not true.
Please.
Obu students.
No, you see what we are saying is that they are being supplied. They are being supplied. No, but you can't buy what Captain Jail. You have to be supplementary books.
It's not supplementary.
It is the one as a parent. Let me add them into books. Send me some top books, but it's supplementary. Mate, Captain Mate.
Akalute or Kasa, he's made a specific allegation. Reverend Ibisande on chair the particular point. Amenami Imde Bianca, quickly you will tell us the number of textbooks you've printed
and supplied.
Yeah, the number of textbooks we've printed is that all the you can't say men can't just say you printed 10,000 100,000. I'm saying we have printed, we have books in stock. We have that is addition. That is addition. That is additional. As I'm talking, first year students, now then we yes sir. First year students, all their supplies are now available. Yes. It don't come in.
Captain, Enyima. Is he? Enyima, Captain, the MPP government, I agree with them. They won't take it 2 years. No one will implement all their policy programs. Look, even 2020 Grapo will be used as a referendum as to whether they really have been able to execute all their policies and programs. What they will come and tell you in there, 2020 also 4 years, into another 4 years. As to whether Ghanaians will give them those 4 years, it depends upon what they are currently doing. And I must say, for me, the flag policy of President Nana Akufo-Addo, they're all my free SHS, excellent. But then, once some Kusa Walker there, in every program, there are challenges. Until you need to confront the challenges. Agreed. But what I'm saying, the challenges are more than the flagship program Nangasa will pursue. There are a lot of things I don't think this government can do for them to succeed. And they should listen to us. And what President Mahama said about review, was the review was adequate to collapse.
Now I can't say for more.
Osofo.
Captain,
Also there when I come, President Mamangede is coming to destroy free SHS. He's coming to review it. We should look at the
Review, no,
we should look at the infrastructure. We should look at logistics. And then petty promises are surrounding the free SHS. Me said the idea is laudable, excellent. Look, there's no government that can destroy free SHS.
Mahama would destroy it.
It has come to stay. We are having teething problems, and we need to solve that teething problem. Because so far as that government has started pursuing the free SHS, it becomes a national policy and not a political party policy. It is if government will listen to Ghanaians in view of the difficulties that is confronting the free SHS, it will help the government and help the people of Ghana.
With the main monitor.
But answer no. Say part the we energy with the idea se kan ho a aya na be koyi pa enuti na Total Petroleum Ghana Limited. See your momodia second edition of Start Upper of the Year Challenge, Ebaso. We are young entrepreneur who are project sunkubiana and the men train cry. Momodia the project called startuppertotal.com. Now Uber win a serious and a huge financial support, professional coaching, now for when your publicity for your project. Independent and 3 winners and a top female entrepreneur. Pomoriana found with Jimby. Now a bebo ye pa. Aboso can choba. Oh, Baba, my friend, ya. Weekend dinner, AMA Park and a Zongo Junction. A year no ebebaso. Pacho Kafra, why? I'm in count. Honorable.
Captain. Some back on Bisa opening. Went to me and Yan, some may hear him so about train sign. School now. Schools. No, I can mention
No, I can mention the school.
My uniform and a textbook. And some people say to me, a canoe. Politics and they are me 2 4 said. Young fan credit any politics.
Yankumasi, uniforms.
We are over free SHS. And this is for Nankasan, or one way mean. Contradiction, Kwan. Tony no kase free say ya rashing here na eno kra na nkini say sanse na nditi 4 person mo ye na kakra be 100 years kra no mo nye ye enso chairman Lotte Jacob say o a good initiative a enya de a o metumi entino nditi 4 na kasa o my confused u be say review so we o my confused contradiction ko but eno tre say e bo pass MPP bet power ache na yetumi atoto na eba petrol nsem me ya yenyina to petrol yenyina ti he na ye ko filling station e ko to petrol na say ye mu anke ati ni nyina so aba 1 cedi per gallon ke na be yede na si ye hwa tutu ya ye de ba ye a sa bre no a na crude oil price na crown international market na mpeja nkudu san pempenso yi na ya sa aban na watwa mu sande sa excise duty tax beto so to auto petrol bia na 2.7 pesos edaso auto diesel bia na 1.8 pesos edaso ye buy ya first budget asempa budget no e betwa ni na free say some tax na we rebuild it tax no edaso sa area enka ba bia fuel prices be pejadru and no special petroleum tax and this is for it's now insensitively no at the 17.5% tax and a toll fuel on so
no munya mo be ye
buy no first budget as a budget ye better so from 17.5 about 15%. Second budget no ya manam pimo anso ha ye sante so further from 15% no about 13%. Enti captain say ya ma metete say sa tax no so e ka sa bre mi no mienu kan ni se na teswa e kian tumi top petrol